Hello, we're back. Well, not back for you guys, but I started recording this on my phone, but we're doing a shotgun only challenge, which means this shotgun and the super shotgun. I was trying to think of its name. There we go. If you're using a full auto shotgun, never let it uncoil. You always want this thing to be rapid. I don't really like how they changed the chainsaw. That's how I was trying to think of its name. Because you used to be hold it all out in Doom 2016. Yeah, 16. And now it just stretches out for once, but in Doom 2016, probably gonna say 17 in this video, but Doom 2016, you could hold it out and just spam it. Like, if you want to kill more enemies with chainsaw, go ahead. Now you just have to spam the button. I don't like spamming buttons in Doom Eternal, because it feels cheap. And I'm kind of glad they got rid of the pistol, though. It's like one thing we all can agree on. The pistol sucked. Well, it started in the beginning of Doom 2016. I guess slow down every time I try to say it, since I'm going to think of Doom 2016 or 17. Well, anyway, they got rid of it since it was 2 weeks. It was only good in the beginning of the game anyway. And you start with a shotgun, which I like. Actually, you don't really have to call it up for those guys, but with the big dudes, you probably do. Well, if you hit him in the head, lucky enough. Hit him in the head, it one-shots him. You can see I have the Doom 2016 outfit on. And top of my arm. I'm gonna turn it up. There we go. I like how they did that. Like, where you got your armor in Doom 2016, you kill this guy and there's like a flash. Now it's starting to collapse, so we gotta move. God, I love playing this guy. But Doom 2016 was my first Doom game, if you're wondering. I am 10 years old, my name's Eli, and my birthday's pretty soon. And technically I could come back here later, when I could travel. So I'm gonna do. No, because this is a shotgun only, I might as well get it. I only want to upgrade full auto. It's one of my favorite upgrades in this game. I thought there was a toy. No, it's the toy's up here for the new guy. It'd be cool if they changed that so each time you got it, it changed to the suit that you're wearing. And I got the wrong guy. I wonder if anyone's on Melee on the challenge yet. Take a hell of a long time. Can't even beat the game. But I put it on Don't Hurt Me. I'm too young to die. Because it's a shotgun only challenge, I thought, and it should be easy, but now I wish I put it on a Hurt Me Plenty. be called a baby for doing this. Oh no, I'm too young to die. So if they jump up, where's that Arachnotron go? Gone. There we go, dead. The reason why I punch him is to make his animation stop of attacking me. Gotta remember this one-shot imps with the coiled. Well, the rapid fire. I'm just gonna call it coiled, so if anyone sees you say it's the rapid fire, not the coil, I'm calling it the coil because I think it sounds cooler. And yes, I do know it's called the rapid fire, since it rapid fires. Pretty obvious. Die! That was the baby that suggested that. Whoever does. That was another person. God, there are a lot of people that are going to say that, isn't there? But, this video is probably going to be 30 minutes long, so, yeah. It's one of my first playthroughs. Oh, I can't wait for the Doom Hunter. Do I have... Nope, don't have to. I'm not picking it up since it's not going to help me. Also, I'm counting as the B. Oh no, BFG doesn't count. Yeah, only regular shotgun and then super shotgun when I get it. It's gonna suck using this thing only. As soon as I get the super shotgun now we're talking. And also for that second to final boss fight, I'm about to use the rocket launcher, since it'll take forever only using shotguns. So it's an almost shotgun only challenge. And since I didn't pick that gun up, I don't have to, well, can't upgrade it, and when I ever run out of ammo, it goes into the menu for the chainsaw. Oh, that just feels amazing doing that. Don't care. Ooh, I chopped his head off. I thought there was supposed to be a Arachnotron here. Arachnotron, I mean. If I wonder how young I'll sound, since sometimes it sounds like I'm 4, sometimes I sound like I'm 20. So I just yawned. Okay. Where the hell is the last name then? Arachnotron? Where is it? Here. I hear a tiny idiot somewhere. Did that thing just kill the Arachnotron? More powerful BS. The thing just killed the Arachnotron. There goes his head. Time for the secret. Get the imp. So Sorry if I'm using double jump a lot when I don't need to. I just like it. Because, as you know, you don't, well, you should know, you don't start with double jump and do in 2016. So, yeah. Oh, it's only been 10 minutes. I made a lot of progress already. Cut. Cut. Bonk. Look how stiff he got. Oh, there's more! That guy tried to bite me. It's gonna be weird not having my assault rifle. Especially since I only have 2 upgrades. Can save a lot of energy cores for a bunch of other stuff. And if any of you say the bombs count, no they don't. I'm not counting them. And it's my playthrough, so F off if you believe they count as a weapon, well, a gun. Because this one isn't shotgun only. It's only shotgun gun. The only shotgun. Only using one gun being the shotgun. I don't know how to put this video. The shotgun only challenge. And you see how I use shotgun? Yeah, grenades don't count as guns. Tired of them. There we go. I think ate a decent amount of bullets. I don't have anything upgrade. What do you give this to me, game? Yeah, I know. It's for the assault rifle. But I don't have the assault rifle, as you can see. The grenade launcher! Whoop-a-dee-doo! Oh. And if you're wondering, I'm going to use the ice launcher more. Well, as soon as I get it. Being pretty far. There you go. Oh my god, this imp! Pimp me off! Do not search up the word pimp. I wonder if this video's gonna be demonetized. Be funny though. And if you want to search up hemp, but it's pretty gross. Extremely disgusting. Bug is so weird. Little weird eyes. Wait. No, that's a Kemp. Not a pimp. Oh, never mind. Pimp is, never mind. I'm too lazy to tell you. And I don't want my video demonetized as soon as it comes out. And I will not be posting on Thursday I'll try to post daily, but Thursday is my birthday, so I won't be posting. It's my day off. There we go. Something finally spawned. It's the only thing I'm worried about. Ammo. So you know I'm getting maxed out ammo first, so I do not want to have ammo ever again. Well, I want to get the Sentinel shards. Cha-ching! So much ammo that I can't use. Oops. I'm trying to get down, but I keep pulling myself back up. Now I have 1 ammo left. Chunk of meat. Pretty sure if I didn't get that extra armor, I would have died just there. One shot. And sometimes you can miss like the chainsaw like that, where I just did. When doing 2016, you miss, you just use it again. Since you still have it out, you just push the button again. Not gonna be using that, because that's cheating. I wonder how many views this video will get. A chicken nugget. Die! Bob the Builder, no, we can't kill him. I'm too strong, mother effer. God, Bob the Builder is such a good show. Bark. He went to horny jail. Not dying today. Because if I do die, I have to restart. Oh, shit. I missed! Come on. Chainsaw you. Switch back to full auto. Kill you. Slice. I was going to slice him, not dice him. Slice you. Oh God, there's a lot of things. Gonna make that thing explode. Do you see that guy go flying? Where does it keep going? I need to kill these guys on the bottom first. There we go. Get some ammo. Not doing a few. Kabushi! minutes. Man, 10 minutes went by fast. Yeet. And delete. I was hoping I could get him from above. Oh, come on. Did they get rid of the challenges in game? Because I'm going to be sorry if they did. Like, do you know Doom 2016 challenges where you get extra points? I think they got rid of that for in place of the key thing and the extra challenges. Well, it's still challenges, just not. They're like mini missions and a big mission in Doom 2016. Now they're just challenge room. Okay, it's nothing left. Good. Yay! And delete. Oh my god. Things being like artillery right now. Oh, thank God I got it. I got it. Where? There it is. Now he's dead. Oh my God. Has anyone watched Hazbin Hotel in the comics? If you have, just go off wild. It's a good series. Okay, that is not supposed to be orange. It's red on my screen. Nope, I need to do this. But it's supposed to be red. It's a little bit brighter on this.
My scans indicate there is a lift at the center of this facility.
Can't wait to get the dash. Okay, does anyone play Hollow Knight? If you do, well, go off in the comments. Because if you do, well, I'll expect you. Okay, man. Fast travel. Yeah, I know I missed the thing, game. I got these. Nice one. I just want that backwards. Okay, I'm tired of this music. Okay. Yeah, 12. What did I miss? Yeah, because I'm gonna pick it up. Oh, yes. That's the thing I've been wanting. We're going back to my home screen. Teleporting. There we go. Yeah, fun mark. Of course I'm gonna put it on. My collection. Yeah, I got a couple. I don't really care for that guy. I just want what is this? Oh, no mind. I don't care. It looked like the Doom 2016 one to me. That's cool. I don't really like this color. Like, I like this. Man, still, well, not really, since it looks like the new one. I just want to keep this. And no, I'm not going to play, even though it's a shotgun only. Are you insane? But that ends it for episode 1 of Doom Eternal with only a shotgun. See you later. And don't forget to lip and tear that like button.